So, hello everybody, my name is Marigendral and welcome to the next video regarding Binance launch pools, because Binance has announced again the new launch pool. This time it's called Initia, so token INIT. So this video I will show you, we will explain how this ecosystem works, what is Initia, and how you can participate on Binance Launchpool, right? So as you can see, this is the official announcement on Binance. So by locking BNB tokens or stablecoin FDUSD, USDC, you can earn up INIT tokens by staking those free, right? So there is, of course, some basic information about the launch pool itself. Here is the token details and supply distribution and so on. So the total token supply, here you can see. So of course, max token supply, so the supply is fixed. Then we got 30 million, so 3% of total token supply for launch pool on Binance. Then additional 10 million allocated on marketing campaigns, and 20 million allocated on other campaigns, but after spot listing. Yeah. So, and these 10 millions are after spot listing directly, and 26 months after. So you can go on Binance, go through the announcement, but let's talk about the Initia, what's the ecosystem about, and so on. So basically, Initia is a project designed to revolutionize how applications are built, deployed, and interconnected across multiple blockchains. So basically, it represents a novel approach where layer 1 networks and layer 2 rollups coexist within a unified ecosystem, right? So the core idea is that Initia provides a seamless, efficient, and economically aligned multi-chain environment that empowers developers and users alike, right? So what Initia provides, basically it offers, to say in simple way, an environment where developers can easily create full chain applications, right? It means applications there that are not limited to a single blockchain, but are deeply integrated into a broader multi-chain infrastructure. So, as you can see on the main page, there are two main sectors, right? The first one is interwoven stack. So, what is it? So, the interwoven stack is a sophisticated infrastructure framework that connects multiple rollups, layer 2 and the underlying layer 1, offering an integrated experience. So let's talk about some essential features of this stack. So basically it is you can say that each rollup can have its own unique rules, configurations, and logic, while still being connected to the broader Initia ecosystem. Then it's composability. Developers can compose assets and applications across rollups without compromising decentralization of security, right? Then it's all about the unified communication, right? So it means that the native interoperability allows for seamless messaging and interactions between rollups and layer 1. So to wrap up, this approach means that projects no longer have to choose between the security of layer 1 and the scalability of layer 2. They can have both, thanks to Initia architecture, right? So it integrates both in one. Then we got this interwoven economy. So what does it mean, right? So the interwoven economy is about aligning economics initiatives across the Initia network. It is built to create a positive environment where participants, whether validators, developers, users, and so on, are economically motivated to contribute to the system growth. So the key aspects includes, let's say, shaped security. So the security is aggregated across rollups, supported by the layer 1, enhancing resilience. Then we got the economic interoperability, as we said. So the fees and assets can move freely across chain, encouraging liquidity and broader market activity. And then, of course, ecosystem rewards. So the participants are rewarded based on their contribution to the ecosystem's health and activity. Right. So again, to wrap up, the main goal of economy is to prevent fragmented economic islands, let's say, and instead create a dynamic integrated economy where growth in one part of the system benefits for the whole. Yeah. Okay. So, and now let's say about some maybe about the main goals, right? So the main goals is as we said of Initia, simplifying multi-chain development, right? Then seamless user experience, economic alignment, unlocking full value, which means that many applications today are limited by their native blockchain scale and scope, and Initia breaks these boundaries, allowing applications to reach a broader user base and interact with richer and liquid ecosystems, more liquid ecosystems. Okay, so that was about the Initia, and of course we can participate on this by airdrop. Yeah, here you got the information about the airdrop of Initia. So yeah, basically how we participate, I will show you, but now let's say about some words about the token itself. So the INIT token is the native utility and governance token of Initia ecosystem. Yeah, it played several critical roles as network security. So tokens are used in staking mechanisms to secure Initia layer 1. Then transaction fees. So INIT is used to pay for gas fees on the layer 1 chain. Then we got the governance, of course. So hodlers of INIT have governance rights of the network and at least economic initiatives. So INIT is also used as a medium for ecosystem rewards, right? So through these functions, we can say INIT ensures that all parts of the ecosystem, from economy to user initiatives, are integrated into the cohesive whole. So yeah, and now when we go on the Binance, I will show you how to participate. When we go on Binance, click on the more, then a Launchpool. So we got the homepage for the Launchpool on Binance, right? And here you can see the last Launchpool, which is INIT layer 1 blockchain we were talking about, and you can here choose between USDC, BNB. We can stake. So let's choose USDC. Here, click on the lock. We can choose at least 10 USDC lock, and then here you can see your airdrops, and there you can later collect airdrops of INIT by staking USDC. So that is very simple way how to earn these tokens for free. And that was basically all from my side. I hope it was very helpful, and we will hear us on the next video. So have a nice day and bye.